Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to delete followers on X application. So the ability to delete a follower on X is only available on the X website, and in the mobile application, this option is typically not found. So you will have to use your preferred browsing system, find page x.com, and you want to, of course, sign in to your X account. And finally, when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. Now find followers count right here, and at the top go to followers tab. Now find specific follower that you want to delete, and next to their username you have to tap three-dot button and select option remove this follower, and of course confirm the action. This user will be removed from your followers list and they will not be notified. Instead, they'll have to follow you once again if they want to see your public posts. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.